Hello guys, on this video we are gonna be reviewing Microsoft PowerToys. I wanna show you what it can do. This application is available on the Microsoft Store and is really useful on your daily tasks like getting shortcuts and getting more of Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without further ado, let's begin with the first video out of 3 where I will be showing you everything that it can do. So and the most things that I use. So let's begin. Let's start with the interface of PowerToys. On this side, we got all the tools that we need to activate. You can either activate some, let's say advanced paste. I don't have it activated because I don't use it that much. So on this video, we are gonna be reviewing the system tools. So this is the home page. And on this side, I got activated many things that I use daily when I'm using my computer, and I got a shortcut right here. So let's dive into system tools. So the first tool we got is going to be command palette. On this tool, we are gonna press Windows, Alt, and space. And this is gonna give us like a spotlight like on a Mac, and it's really useful to find documents throughout your computer. The second tool we're going to review on their system tools is going to be Text Extractor. This one you activate it by pressing Windows, Shift, and comma, and it's gonna extract like whatever you select on the screen. It's gonna copy that text. As you could see, I selected something on Google, and I'm gonna create a new note, and I'm gonna press Ctrl B and it put whatever on the screen that I got. So that's the second tool we got. So those are the two things I most use on their system tools. So stay tuned for the second video. I hope you like the video, and I will see you on the next video.